Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert BTC to USDT on MEXC Global. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your account, and once you've logged in, you will just have to look for the spot trading section here. So it really depends on the layout or the version that you have. So once you see the spot trading, you will just have to click that, and once you click spot trading, you will just have to select the BTC or use USDT pair. And after that, what you will have to do is basically just click sell BTC. So it should be right here. Uh, so yeah, you will click sell BTC, and then you will enter the amount of BTC that you would want to convert. And of course, you will click sell and then confirm, and then the BTC will convert to USDT instantly. And by the way, you should check your wallet balance to confirm your USDT deposit. And always check fees and market rates before converting crypto to optimize the value. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.